Okay guys, this is going to be a quick cold start of the Sidekick. It's been sitting here for a week. It's a beautiful Sunday morning. It's probably 1 degree Celsius. I don't know, 36 Fahrenheit, I'm not sure. Hopefully the battery's still charged. Okay, I got this fast, my camera's almost dead. Neutral, perfect, it's on. Just like that. Has a really high idle when it's cold. What a car, eh? Just got back from Florida, so now one of my most reliable cars. Okay, see ya, thanks for watching. Next I'll do the Suburban, but we still have a bunch of snow, so I don't know if I'll get that in next week, so okay, see you later.